What is going on, Bad Bass Fishing? Welcome back to another episode. As you can tell, maybe, I don't know, maybe I just like wearing camo. No, just kidding. I actually just got back from hunting, and that video should be out soon. I've yet to shoot a decent sized buck, so saving the one tag I have for a buck for a decent sized one, so I've got some great content for you guys. Also, if you guys are new to the channel, make sure you hit that subscribe button. It would mean a lot. We're almost at 200. That is awesome. And from there, we're going to work our way to 1,000, and it's going to be quite the journey. Anyways, let's get into this video. As you can tell from the title of this video, we've got a unboxing, but it's not in a box, I don't think. I'm pretty sure it's just in this wrap. But so this fishing place from Amazon got a hold of me, said they watched my video, and they were interested in me doing a review. So they asked me if, let me adjust this real quick. They asked me if I wanted to try out some lures they had on their site and give them a good review if I liked it. So that brand would be Plusinno. I will link their link down in the description below. Check them out. If I actually do like these lures, I might keep working with them. That's pretty sweet that they let me do this stuff. So let's do this. This is our unboxing lure, or not lure. Gosh, got fishing on my mind. This is my unboxing tool. Alright. Well, that's actually pretty cool. Look at that. It's probably backwards on your screen, but it's a little Plusinno case for these lures I got. And I actually, I chose to do the spinners, like little rooster tail style kind of spinners to do. I didn't really have a use of a rod holder, I think was the other one. I mean, I'll try that when I decide to catfish or something, but for now, we've got the spinner, so let's open this puppy up. Ooh, thank you. Interested in testing free pre-release products. It's pretty cool. Little card came with it. There's a little thing you can scan on the inside here, right there. If you're interested in, testing out some of their products before they put it on Amazon, I guess you could scan this and do something with that. I guess it gets a hold of them. Oh, wow, shouldn't have grabbed it like that. All right, well, the hooks are definitely sharp, so that's a positive thing. Oh my God, I really have to stop doing that. Like, I'm not even lying. I just stuck my hand or my finger right into that hook. Dang, these are sweet. So it comes in this little, oh God, they're all falling out. They were nice and organized, but it comes in a little case here. There's like little spinners. They're really good looking spinners, and I'll go through them with you guys, let you know what I think. But man, I honestly think these will work. I definitely already like the fact that it comes in a little case. Like, I don't know, like, this is awesome. I could literally carry this anywhere. I just clip it to my backpack. Like, super handy. So they come with, like, I think these are like little customized spinners, but I don't know if you can see that. It's pretty cool. Like, pretty neat designs on the blades. I don't remember what it said on the site. I think these are used for, like, I think you can catch bass, you can catch like panfish, just basically anything. I think these are good for anything. Rooster tails are the bomb for all sorts of fish. But there's many kinds in here, like different styles, and this one caught my eye when I first opened it. This one's pretty sweet. This one right here, look at that. It mimics a little bait fish or a little fish, a little minnow or something. That's pretty sick. So literally, like, the design of it is like very detailed, like the eyes and wow, I can't believe they went this much detail. I'm definitely gonna have to do a little video on fishing these things. These are sweet. Alright. There's one more in here. Like, they all catch my eye, but this one, there's one here that's pretty sick. Oh, it's this one. Oh, never mind. I mean, it's still sick, but I thought it was like an American flag. That blade has a little red, and I thought it was blue. I think it's green though. Still pretty sick. I think these are some pretty high quality looking lures. Like, let me know in the comment section below if you'd be interested in watching a video of me like testing these out, like hands-on going fishing with these and seeing if they work. Like, see if the spinners work really well, if the hooks hold up, if these lures hold up, if they're durable. Like, these are really good looking lures. The hooks are stupid sharp. Like, honestly, I'd give this a 10 out of 10 so far, at least by the looks of it and the feel of it, the hooks especially. Holy crap, these are sharp. Also, like, I need to get these back in here. Also, like, just this coming in a little case like this, like, that is super clutch. Like, I really love that. Like, Plusinno, you go, guys. Like, guys and girls, I don't know who works for it. You go. Like, you guys are awesome. So, I would like to thank you guys for sending me this for free to do a little review on it. I'm definitely going to have to take it out and do some fishing with it. So, remember, I'll put the link down in the description. God, yeah, in the description. I'm right this time. In the description below. And then I'm going to do a little fishing with this. It's super cold outside, but I mean, I'm sure we catch fish if the lures look this good. So, I think that's going to be the end of our little unboxing video, or uncutting, unwrapping video. So if you guys actually want to see footage of this, like me fishing with this stuff, like these spinners, let me know and I'll definitely make a video of it. Like, these are pretty sweet. And if you would also like to see more unboxing videos, like, let me know in the comment section below. Let me know if you want to see like reels, different types of lures. Just I need you guys to help me figure out what kind of content I should be making. Like, if you want to see videos of unboxings, like reviews, certain types of fish that you want me to target, different hunting videos you want me to go out and try something different. Like, I've never duck hunted or anything like that. I think that'd be pretty sweet. Let me know down in the comments below. That would be great. So if you guys enjoyed this video, make sure you leave a thumbs up and you hit that subscribe button. It would mean a lot. Hopefully I get that hunting video out for you guys soon. It's gonna be sick, I can tell you that. Like, if I shoot a big buck, it's gonna be sick. So thank you guys for watching. It means a lot. Plusinno, I believe that's how you say it. Yeah, that sounds right. Plusinno, thank you guys again for sending me this. I will definitely contact you guys again, see if we can do another review on some of your other products. That would be great. So thank you again, and thank you guys for watching. I love you all, and yeah, I don't know what I was gonna say. I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.